All right, so I'm just going to show you some tips from HVAC to electrical, what's important to us. We typically like to leave this hole open here. I'm going to show you what it looks like so that you can run your wire, and then this should be sealed with foam. We can do that, or you can do that. We recommend a tray cable, 14 gauge, stranded, seems to work the best for these units for communication, and just pull the wire through and run it through this channel either at the bottom or somewhere in between the lines. And ideally you don't want to relocate the lines at all, as far as pushing them up or down or sideways, because they're specifically placed there. And then that wire will just come out all the way to this side, and from this side you'll just go into this opening and obviously use your grommet there so the wire doesn't get chafed or whatever the word is. And then you remove this screw to remove this panel, and then all of your wire terminals will be labeled there. In the instruction manual, it shows you a lot of breakdown of these components that you don't really have to take the whole thing apart. If you just pull the wire through, push it through the grommet over there, and land the wires here. Colors don't matter, I mean, besides code compliance, but the unit doesn't care as long as it matches what's outside. And if you want more detail on that, I can give you that. And that's really pretty much it. And this is just important because for electricians, you're probably used to like power, L1, L2, ground, things like that. There is DC voltage being sent through the power wires while there's still power on the wires, and that's why the sizing and the connection is important, so that DC voltage, those pulses don't get lost in the process. So feel free to call me or text me with any questions, 360-398-9400.